Hey, Jordan here. Guess what? I have started a new job. A month and a half ago, I started a new job at a new company, a company that I've wanted to work at for a really long time, in a role that I'm super excited to be doing right now. I left the job I had before, a job I truly enjoyed, the people I truly enjoyed. But right where I am at right now, I feel this place I'm supposed to be at this point in my life, and I'm just really looking forward to all the things I'll be doing. So today, yes, I'm talking about the fact that I do have a new job, and if you can see, there is a hint actually behind me about where I'm at. But I also want to open some of the packages that I got. So I should have had 3 packages and only 2 arrived. And I decided to do this video today because I was just in the mood to do it. And I was excited to share as well, right? When the next package arrives, then I will probably add it to this video. Maybe not. Cool. So on to the first package. And this package is going to give the biggest clue as to where I am going. So you can already see the color, right? So I am now working. See the congrats and welcome, congratulations and welcome. And here are the colors. Ooh. I am now working at Google. So for those who know this very famous hat that can't fit on my afro, this is the Noogler hat, and for the first year at Google, you are considered a Noogler. So here's my Noogler hat, and I probably should have worn a different hairstyle for this one, but yeah, I'm officially a Noogler, and I am now working at Google. Yay! And yeah, I don't know how to make this fit. All right. So I actually was in this process for this job for a while, for a good while. And you know, sometimes things work out the way they are supposed to work out because there were some delays and I ended up doing something else, and it was something I really loved, and I learned so many things. And some of the things I learned, I felt really helped me to find a team that I feel totally matched with right now. So I will be working with a team that, you know, will be building open source languages within Google, a language in Google. And it's something I'm totally drawn to, right? I have to learn a new language. I have to, and I've been learning for a while, but it's just something new, and I'm just gonna enjoy it and embrace this experience. And when I was going through matching and trying to find teams, the experience I had like last year in the job I had just totally aligned me for this team right now. So sometimes you experience disappointments, and sometimes you experience delays or whatever it is, or sometimes you go on a different path, you know, but it is probably leading you to exactly where you're supposed to be. So don't sweat it. So Noogler hat off. My second package, it is a little bit bigger. It actually has the name of the company on it. So I'm going to open this one. I've had this package for maybe a week, and I literally have not opened it. I wanted to, but then I had so many delays, so I just never got to it. As you can see, it's still untouched. Google. And let's see what's in this box. All right, so alright. I really love this paper. I wish I could. Oh, I created a mess in my office. I often wish I could just put it in a little bean bag and have a little extra footrest around my office. So anyway, that's that. So I got rid of some of that. And in this package, now I'm looking at this package and I'm seeing like 6 things. It's already so nice. So let me hold it up. There are a couple things here. So I'm just gonna go through one at a time. So I'm gonna start from the left. This gives me no idea what it is, but I'm gonna open it right now. Oh wow. So this is a collection of, seems to be condiments, custom condiments, pepper essence, chili flakes, and let me see what the other one is. It would have been nice if there was a curry in there because I really, really love curry. So there's a pepper flake. There is like a gourmet pepper blend. And the other one is garlic and herb. So this is a custom, yeah, this is really nice. Yeah, spice box. So this is really nice. I'm so bad with pepper. Like, I can have a little black pepper, but that's it. But I think, you know, the other people in my family, they're gonna love that. Oh, now I have a Google bottle with a handle. This is super good because, oh, it seems like it is to make tea because I see, oh, so it has this filter here. So it seems like I can use it to make tea. This is what I'm guessing. There's a little book in it, so I'll figure that out after. But that'd be pretty cool if I can put my tea bag or, you know, your loose tea leaves in the top of it and then just pour the hot water on. So I hope that's what it is. I have a Google bottle from 2018 when I went to a Google Dev conference. It was a Chrome Dev conference. And that bottle has gone everywhere with me. It has gone to Europe. It has gone to Caribbean. It has gone everywhere with me. And it is so sturdy. It has fell so many times. But I absolutely love that bottle. The type of bottles you get from Google, even at the conferences, are really great quality. So I love it. Right. So next in line, Pixel Buds. So I have the, what do I have? I have the AirPods from Apple. My opinion, they're horrible. I don't have the Pro because they do not last the entire day. So I use them for work sometimes. I leave them on my desk. I have to keep putting them on the charger. They last maybe 2-3 hours, and that's just not enough for me. I also have the Galaxy Buds, and that's not Pro or anything. Those last the entire day. They're actually what I'm using right now, and they last the entire day. Love them. It took me some time to get used to them, but now I have my Pixel Buds. This is super cool. I actually have a Pixel phone, so I'm excited to see what that pairing looks like to have my Pixel Buds or my Pixel phone. So yeah, I'll have to hide these from the rest of the persons in my family, of course, because they lose these things like crazy. Wow, this box is really awesome. This is my third thing. And let me see. So this seems like so this is wrapped in let me try to open it. And this is some type of, I thought it was a candle at first. No, I don't have any idea what this is. Made with love in the USA, vegan or vegan. It's a candle. Oh wow, it smells really, really good. Bergamot. I have no idea what it is, but it smells really, really good. So yeah. Ooh, I'm gonna find a spot for it in my office. I should probably put a little mount right here on my wall, and then I can put my candle there, because I'm not taking this off. All right. Next we have some tea. Honey bourbon tea. That's an interesting combination. And I guess I can use this in my bottle. So this is pretty cool. All right. Ella Tea. Also, it's from Ella Tea. It's a Black woman-owned tea company located in Oakland. So this is pretty cool. It's funny. It says on this, the caffeine level is hella high. That is very high. Oh my god. And under that, we have a book, like a notebook, and a pen. It says nothing without intention. So, I mean, this is definitely a good mantra. Nothing without intention. Everything you do should be intentional. Some things, it will not have the effect that you want to have. It will not have the outcome that you expect it to have. But if you try to plan or be prepared for opportunities, you know, I think, you know, the best will happen. Or in Jamaica, we say what should be for you cannot be for you, right? So whatever you deserve will come to you. So there are two more things, and this is a reusable bag. So they have actually banned single-use plastic in my state. I think everywhere I've gone at this point has banned it. Jamaica's banned it, Costa Rica banned it before I left, and now in my state they've banned it. So it becomes really, really important to have reusable bags. So this is a good thought out thing. And the final thing is my t-shirt, and it says, "My difference makes a difference." Oh, so good. And it's true. My difference makes a difference. Yeah, sometimes you're in a space where you're different and it's not something that's celebrated, right? You're different for many reasons. It could be your hair, it could be the way you talk, it could be the fact that you're taller than everyone. Of course, it could be your skin. And you are different. You see the world differently because you come with different experiences. You have a different background. You have different expectations. But your background, your difference can indeed make the difference. So this is definitely, I like this. I like this. Your difference makes a difference. So that is it. My third package, I have an idea what's in that one. But yeah, I was hoping it would have arrived. It was supposed to arrive like a couple days ago, and it didn't. But I was ready to open these boxes. They've been on my desk for a while, and today was just a good day to finally open them, do this video, share that I have a new job. I actually haven't updated LinkedIn yet, but because I'm usually so slow with editing videos, I may have actually updated it, or I may update it before you actually see this. So yes, I am officially a noogler, and I just need to figure out a good hairstyle so I can take a proper photo in my new hat. So thanks for watching. Your difference makes a difference, as the shirt said. I'm excited for real, right? Just to be working at Google, to be building great things, to be doing great things, to be learning from everyone super smart, just to be learning as much as I can learn. And I can definitely see myself in a long career here. So thanks for watching. And I have to tell myself right now, welcome to Google.